Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Olivia, and if you're my channel girl, what's up, what's good? Do not hesitate to hit that subscribe button. So today is Saturday, so we're gonna go ahead and run some errands today with the fam bam. Say hi, baby. You was just smiling. Smile. Hi. There we go. We're about to go ahead and head out. Let me show you my little outfit because I feel cute today. I'm feeling cute today and I feel thick, okay, because I got a little booty. It's super hot in Georgia today. I really don't know the temperature, but it's looking real sunny outside, girl. Let's see how it's feeling outside. Yeah, it's 86 degrees. It's 86 degrees. So we're about to go ahead and head out. I just wanted to come on here and give y'all a little cute little intro. And yeah. Let's go ahead and go. Y'all, it is such a pretty day today. I'm like, I gotta vlog and bring y'all along, okay? And I'm in a good mood, so we'll see how long that lasts. What's the first stop? Because I know I'm gonna have to go to, I didn't even bring my list. I had a list.
I know the stuff that you need. I need more
deodorant.
Spider bit. Oh, my bad. I shouldn't have said it, so.
Where is it?
It was.
I need more deodorant.
Spider bit. Oh, my bad. I shouldn't have said it, so.
Where is it?
It's just creeping down. I didn't expect you to
talking about it's a spider gonna expect me to stand still. What the hell?
It was a small spider.
Is it on me?
No, it's not on you. You moved, but it was like flying down a little small web. It's probably on the ground at this point. But
talking about it's a spider, babe. Yeah, you should have just swatted it. Don't tell me.
So small.
I'm scared it's on me.
It's not on you. It was like coming down the web, like right down there.
What the hell? Back to making my list before you talking about a dang spider. So I need some deodorant. I need some toothpaste. I wanted to get like small little freezer food because I don't feel like cooking 24/7. I wanted to get pizza rolls. We need some more ramen noodles, Hot Pockets. What else?
I'm sure we can get like.
Put on your seatbelt so I stop beeping. You'd rather risk your life than wear your seatbelt.
This is hardly a risk.
It is a risk. You don't know what can happen.
Try the speed limit. Now I'm drive crazy like you. I should be cool. Oh yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Look at what they got. Hold up. Oh, look at what they got in here. Strawberry shortcake, chocolate covered pretzels. We should try them. I've seen them.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Oh, I like Sam's Club, y'all. Okay, hold up. They got grits. You want some grits or no? Parmesan cheese. There's Alfredo sauce. Make chicken or not. You got spaghetti sauce. Oh, they come with the three.
You a little post so baby. You a little 48 baby. Got a little penny in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. Ready up a couple more on the north side. But I know you probably cross-eyed. Oh, I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Don't try. I just hit the city with the G block saying.
Y'all, Sam's Club is clubbing for sure. I like Sam's Club. You get a plethora of things.
tried to make you famous.
You do? Oh, you do like that cereal.
Yeah.
He like the old people cereal.
It's just more for health to be
For
like
health
more
reasons.
healthy. Yeah.
I get it. Y'all like my little fake nose ring? Okay, I'm trying it out. Y'all think I should get my nose pierced? I used to have my nose pierced like in 2016, fresh out of high school. But then it fell out and I couldn't put that bitch back in. So I didn't have it back then. But yeah. I have never seen Kit Kat cereal before. They got different stuff. They got Kit Kat cereal. They got strawberry shortcake flips. Like, hold up. Hold up with the Sam's Club. What are the Pop-Tarts, baby? You know I love Pop-Tarts, but not those kind.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's other kind.
There was another kind over there.
I'm gonna just show y'all everything that I have never seen. Like, look at this icy cereal. Like, girl, what is this? They got some different stuff in Sam's Club. You can't let your thing expire. Cause we need to start coming here. I need to get some cereal. Should I get Frosted Flakes? I don't know. I know. I'm so indecisive. And there's so many options, you guys. I'm gonna go with the Fruit Loops. I haven't had Fruit Loops in a long time. Another thing about Sam's Club, y'all, the free samples. I like the free samples. This was like a sports drink, and it's not that sweet. We should go find some more free samples.
As you said.
I'm just calling to say it's me.
Y'all, why is Angel just lost in the sauce? Look at the cart, and then look at Angel. Oh, little baby, I'm weak. Hi, baby boy. He's been being so good, y'all, so good. He hasn't cried or nothing.
Chicken breast.
Oh, like the chicken tenders.
Yeah, and we already got the barbecue sauce.
Yeah, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all like a thorough grocery haul once we get home, cause we got a lot of stuff. You okay, Angel? Oh, baby. You started to make a little bit of noise. You okay? We got another free sample, y'all. It's like a breakfast sandwich. These actually look good.
It smells good.
These taste like the things from McDonald's. Where are they? That was actually super good, so we gonna go ahead and get one. These taste like the things from McDonald's. All right, I think we're done. Are we finished? Look at this big ass cart. Yeah. We're almost home, baby. We're going home. Y'all, he did so good, but he did start to get fussy towards the end. Angel, we're going home, baby. He just gotta stock the car up. Can't he stock the car up?
Hey, man.
We going home. He's so cute. Why are you so cute? Why you drop the binky? You just dropped the binky for what? Here. He said, I don't want this, Mom. I'll see y'all once we get home. Wait, we still need to go to Target so I can get some deodorant. Or we could stop by like the dollar store or something. Cause I ran out of deodorant, and one thing I cannot be is musty.
Toothpaste too.
Yeah, and toothpaste. Why didn't we get the stuff we actually need?
Right, that stuff we could have got in there.
I know. Dang.
Yeah.
Angel, we're going home, buddy. He said, I'm hungry. It's my feeding time, Mama. You tripping?
Have we been gone 3 hours already?
No.
Hey you guys, this is Olivia's fiance here with our son. Make sure you guys go like and subscribe. As you can see, she is doing a grocery haul from Sam's Club. It's everlasting groceries. She also is probably gonna eat all the pretzels. You know, see, one thing is Sam's Club only works if you don't eat everything at once. But if you eat everything at once in bulk, it's no.
You want one?
Yeah.
Good.
Hey girlies, this is Angel. My mom called me Tuka Booties. As you can see, my mom is doing a grocery haul. My pa, he was just telling you guys about it, but make sure you just like and subscribe. Support me, support my dad and my mommy. Like and subscribe. Tell as many people as you can. I always wanted to grow up and be a YouTuber too. That was my dream. I want to create a channel, but I need you guys to build up my mommy's channel, and then I can get a channel. She told me she won't let me have a channel until she gets 100K. Then I can have my own channel. So if you guys can, please just continue to like and subscribe and tell everybody, please. I'm begging you, or else I'm gonna cry and blow out my diaper. Okay, goodbye.
Okay, guys, so we just got home and we just brought everything upstairs. Shout out to my fiance. Shout out to my fiance for walking up those 3 flights of stairs.
Yeah, I had to get up all in the shower.
They having to make countless trips to bring up all this food. Because one thing about Sam's Club, they don't give you bags. Yeah, no. I didn't know that. Why don't they give you bags at Sam's Club?
Because they give you big ass bulk boxes of stuff.
I get that. But, I don't know. These, y'all. I never seen these, and they're so good. But I'm about to give y'all a haul after I get a few more of these. Period. Had to give me a little handful real quick. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make it a montage and show y'all everything we got, so we're not here forever. And then I'm gonna go ahead and figure out how we're gonna fit everything in this refrigerator. And you know what I'm saying? Like, I want everything to be organized and stuff. So we gonna figure it out.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon down on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I I could put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. So cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's.
I'm about to eat all three. I want to try all three. And they're just bite-sized.
None of them have nuts in them.
You know they don't got nuts in them, Sean. Ooh. Oh, I messed one up. And get a regular one. One for me. One for Dada. And then we're going to go and get the chocolate. Caramel chocolate chip. Here you go. You're welcome. Okay, y'all, so we just put up the groceries. We just filled the pantry. And I'm so excited. Like, not all the food. Not all the food. Like, I don't never have to leave the house anymore. Nah. So we finally got a mattress for his crib, you guys. I went ahead and ordered one off Amazon. And it got here. It wasn't supposed to get here until Monday. And what day is it today? It's Saturday. Like, it came 2 days early. Okay, period. He can finally start sleeping in his crib. I don't know if I'm gonna put him in here during the night, but I know that I do want to start putting him in here whenever he takes his naps, just so he can get used to being in here by himself before we just automatically, you know, start putting him in here. So this mattress, where is this mattress from? This mattress is from Graco. Okay. We love Graco over here. We also have a Graco car seat and stroller. So, you got a mattress, 2-piece. And I'm really hoping it fits the crib because there wasn't any measurements on the crib, because I tried to find the crib on Amazon as well, so I can see like what size mattress to get. But either one, I didn't look hard enough, or two, it really just wasn't on there because I couldn't find it. So yeah, you got a mattress, Buggy. We gonna open up your mattress. Okay. Oh, you're gonna be so comfortable, Angel. Okay, okay. So now all I have to do is go ahead and clean out his crib, because I started just putting stuff in here, like his hamper. I'm weak. Like his hamper and his play mat and stuff. So let's go ahead and put his match. Oh wait. We need the sheets. I'm pretty sure we have sheets in the closet, but do we have sheets in the closet, Angel? I think we do. I know. I think we got it for our Oh, period. Yes. We got a few things from our baby shower. Like one is this mattress protector. Crib mattress protector, extra comfort and protection. For a standard crib mattress, 52 by 28. I don't know what size this is, y'all, but we're gonna see if it fits. It's a mattress protector, so if you pee on yourself or poopies, it don't get on the mattress. I should wash this with the sheets, huh, y'all? I probably should. Y'all can't even see. So, does this fit, Angel? Let me see if this fit, y'all. Hold up. Yes, it does. Perfect. Okay. So I need to go ahead and wash that. I'm going to go ahead. Where's your hamper? I just had it. Oh. And is this clean? Oh, hell no. Okay. That smells like spit up. I'm weak. Is this? I don't think I ever washed this either. I need to go ahead and wash that too. And then, where's your sheets? Here they are. We got these sheets from our baby registry. Not our baby registry. What is it? Our baby shower. So, there are 2 sheets. Let me make sure they fit first. Before I throw them in the washer. They should though. Oh, you're gonna have your own bed, Angel. Soon you're not gonna be able to sleep with Mama and Dada. Okay, let's see. Oh, yep, perfect. It's a tiny bit tight. It's a tiny bit tight, but they'll work for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw everything in the washer real fast. And then later on today, I'm gonna come back and set everything up. How exciting. Do I need to wash anything else, son? Yes, that onesie that's in the sink. Y'all, he blew out his onesie earlier, which is why he's naked right now. So go ahead and throw that in the washer. And then, you okay, buddy? Okay, clean up. What's up? There. Hey, thanks. You're on your way to sweeter dreams and a cozier bed. Alrighty, cool. Alright, Angel. I want to see if this fits in here first, though. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. Oh, and then I still have this. We are super close to 10K. I am giving this away for my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. I am thinking about giving away one of these baby monitors as well. So yeah, once I hit 10,000 subscribers, I was gonna give this away, as well as a baby monitor, I think, because girl, why do I have 3 baby monitors? So yeah, we're almost to 10K. I'm sure by the time this video is out, we probably are already reached 10K. So thank y'all. It's so exciting. Like, not 10,000? Okay. All right, let's see if this fits. Let's see if this fit, Angel. What's the matter? You okay? Let's see if your mattress fits in your crib, baby. You're okay? Oh, it does. It fits perfectly. Oh, not Angel gonna be in his little bed. Y'all think I can bring it up some? Because I feel like it's down low. And I really don't have to worry about him standing up or anything, right? I don't have to worry about him standing up or anything yet. Because he can't even sit up by himself. And it's super low. Let me see. Can I reach in there? I don't know, y'all. Because I really don't want to go through the hassle of adjusting it either. Are you okay? What's the matter, baby? What's the matter? Yeah, I really don't want to go through the hassle of adjusting everything, but I think I might go ahead and do that too. So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and wash his sheets, try to adjust this mattress, and then I'm going to come back, y'all. I can't show y'all everything because I'm running out of storage on my card. I need to get another memory card too, so, but, yeah. Good morning, little boy. Can we put some stuff on you? Oh my goodness. Y'all, he's been like scratching his skin up. So he's got like tiny welches. Hi, can I put some lotion? I've been putting Aquaphor on him. But low key, I need something a little bit better. I feel like the Aquaphor is good, but I don't know. I'm going to use this CeraVe moisturizing cream. Can I use this on my baby? Can I use this on my baby? Oh, not me squirting it out on you. I'm sorry. Whoa. You've been scratching yourself up, baby. He said you got it. Why are you looking like that? Why you was just staring? Why are you looking like that? Does that feel good? Yeah. Your little scratches. You know you can move your hands. Where's your hands? There you go. Hi. Don't. Okay, no. Don't scratch yourself, baby. I'm sorry. He said, Mama, I can't scratch myself. You gotta let that be on there, okay, baby? It's gonna feel better. Let me get your neck. Does that feel good? I don't know, Mom. You're blowing on me. Are you okay? Hi. Hi. I love my baby beard. I love you so much, baby. Are you feeling okay? How are you feeling? Okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? So yeah, Mama. Thank you, Mom. I didn't you feeties? I didn't you feeties? I love you. I love my baby bear. Yeah. I love you so much, cookies. Yeah. Let's go ahead and get your stuff washed, okay? So we can go ahead and put you in the bath. Or not in the bath, but in the thing. Yeah. Okay, come on. Okay, y'all. So I went ahead and threw his stuff in the washer. But Father's Day is tomorrow. And I need to go ahead and get like a card and then some tissue paper to put inside of the gift box with his, or not the gift box, gift bag with his Father's Day gift. My fiance's Father's Day gift came in the mail and I haven't even opened it up yet. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. Ah. Oh, it came wrapped up already. So what this is a book. I'm gonna have to whisper because he's in the next room. But it's a customized book. It's from Hooray Heroes. I'm gonna take it out so y'all can see. Oh, this is cute. So this is a puzzle. That's supposed to be Sean and that's supposed to be Angel. Ain't that cute? You can see it's like a puzzle. So like they can put it together and everything. And then here's the book. Here's the book. And I actually want to go ahead and take this plastic off of it too. So what is this? Oh, wait, I don't know what this is. I don't know, y'all. Hold up. Because I thought they were in two separate packages. Like the puzzle, but I guess it's not. See? Angel, you'll always be my baby boy. And on the first page, on the first page, they allow you to customize a message. So that's what I did. It says, I'm trying to imagine how you felt that day when I made my appearance in the world with my itsy bitsy fingers tightly curled. The world calls you Sean, but I call you Dad. I love you, Dad. Love, Angel. I feel so blessed to have you as my man, and even more blessed to know that Angel has you as his father. Love, your wife. To the best dad ever, happy Father's Day. Love, Angel and Mommy. So yeah, that came in this. I'm gonna go ahead and seal this back up. So yeah, I just want to go to Publix to get him like a card and some tissue paper, and if I see anything else there, I'm gonna go ahead and get that too. But does this bag even fit it? Oh, it should fit it. It's like a tiny bit too big for the bag, but it's okay. And then let's see what this is. Oh, wow, y'all. This is the diffuser to one of the sponsorships I have to do. That is so funny. I thought it was a Father's Day gift. Okay. So, it's just a hair diffuser. Okay. Anywho. So, yeah. I definitely want to find something else to put in here with it. So, yeah. We're going to go ahead and go to the store and see what we can find. Okay, so let's go. So y'all, they have these cute little baskets for Father's Day. I think that's cute. This one don't come with beer though. Does it come with the beer? I don't even see a beer in it. Oh, that one comes with the Monster. Might do that one. And he likes root beer. I might get that one, to be honest. One thing about it is the females are gonna come prepared. There are barely any Father's Day cards left, especially for the husband category. Like, look at all these empty husband categories. Okay, the wives be on it. Shout out to us, y'all. But I did find him this cute one, and it has a camera on it, which I love because y'all know I vlog and stuff, so I think that's super cute. Hold up, I dropped it. But my camera is running out of storage, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I went ahead and got a Happy Father's Day balloon, and then I'm gonna choose one of these gift baskets as well. So yeah, Happy Father's Day. And I will see y'all in my next video. I am out of storage, so I'll holler at y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.
What you wanna do? Shoot your shot 'cause I'm bulletproof.
Oh, listen, wait me back.
Baby, what you wanna do?